hand blender recipes are numerous, and one of it is to make ice cream with it. Welcome, and Akwaba Yummy. If today is the first time on this channel, I'm Yummy Cash. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and let me know in the comment section if you have any question. So I pour my whipping cream in a bowl, and I have to mention that my whipping cream is very cold, and then I start blending it with the hand blender. Now blending it doesn't take really much of a time, and it took me about 1 to 2 minutes to get that thick consistency. So when making your ice cream or whipping your cream with a hand blender, do not over blend it. If not, you are going to get a different consistency. So when you whip it for about 1 to 2 minutes and you get that thick consistency, as I am showing in the video, you kindly stop. Now I'll add my condensed milk and go in with the vanilla essence. Now you can use any flavor of your choice, but I prefer vanilla to any flavor. Now I'll go in again with some milk powder and then some evaporated milk. Once again, I am going to blend this mixture till it is well combined and very smooth in consistency. Now in my case, when I'm making ice cream, I love my ice cream consistency to be a little bit on the lighter note. So I add in more of the evaporated milk and keep on blending for about 40 seconds. Now I'm going to scrape all the sides in and mix it very well with the spatula. As you can see, the consistency is not too light, but it is okay for me. So go in with any consistency of your choice and taste for the sweetness if that is okay for you. But for me, I add in more of the condensed milk and give it a very good stir. Now I'm going to divide this into 2 portions because as it is now, it is an ice cream base and you can add any flavor or any fruit, anything of your choice to it. Now I pour in the first half of the mixture into my ice cream cups and insert my ice cream sticks. Now I'm going to set it aside, and the next flavor I want to do is some coffee flavor. So I mix 1 teaspoon of coffee with water, and then I add in 2 tablespoons of the liquid into the ice cream base. So you know coffee is a little bit bitter, so I'm going to add in more of the condensed milk and blend this for about 30 seconds. So now that I'm done, I'll pour it into my ice cream tins and insert the ice cream sticks in it. Now I'm going to put it in the freezer till it is well freezed, and it took me about 48 hours to freeze very well. Now I cover it with some plastic bag and then pop it into the freezer. So after 48 hours, the ice cream is ready now. And I drop some sprinkles on it, which depends on you whether you want to add or not, just for the kids to enjoy it. I hope this video was helpful. I have other ice cream recipes down in the description or on this channel, so kindly check them out. Let's meet again in my next video for another great recipes. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash. Choose.